How to make soft feet.
Hi. I have best remedies. 1. Use baking soda. 1. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda in warm water. 2. Soak your feet in a liquid for about half an hour. 3. For maximum benefit, you can add bath salts to it. Bath salt is easily available in the market and helps to soften the skin and ease the muscles. 4. Repeat it regularly. 2. The magic of banana. Banana is a tropical fruit that boasts of a number of health benefits. It even helps to cure super cracked feet without any hassle. 1. Whip a ripe banana in a mixer. 2. Apply the paste evenly on your feet. 3. Let it dry for 10 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. 4. Try this remedy once in a week and achieve the desired result. 3. Daily cleaning regime. 1. Just add a bit of salt in warm water. 2. Soak your feet in it for 10 minutes. 3. Once you're done, pat them dry, and follow it up with a good moisturizer. 4. Wonder of olive oil. Olive oil is a great moisturizer, especially for dry skin. 1. The easiest way is to dip a cotton ball into olive oil and apply it to the affected areas. 2. Gently massage in circular motion, and once you're done with the massage. 3. Wear a pair of socks and let your skin absorb the oil. Rinse off your feet after an hour. 4. For maximum benefit, leave oil on the skin overnight and rinse off the next morning. 5. Use vinegar. 1. Prepare a warm soak at home by adding apple cider vinegar to it and treat the ugly and dry cracks on your heels. 2. You can also add 2 drops of dishwash in the liquid for better results. 6. Try peppermint oil. Apply some peppermint oil on your cracked heels every day before going to bed. The antiseptic properties present in the oil will not only kill germs and bacteria but will also prevent you from getting infections. It will also reduce the soreness. It is one of the easiest home remedies to heal cracked feet. 7. DIY scrub. 1. You can make this scrub by mixing oatmeal with lemon juice. 2. Make a paste and apply on the affected heels for about 30 minutes. 3. Then rinse it off with cold water. 4. You can also use jojoba oil or Vaseline instead of lemon juice. 8. Treat it with honey. Honey has many healing properties and is an excellent product for skin. 1. Add a cup of raw honey in a bucket full of warm water. 2. Soak your feet in that bucket. 3. Repeat it every day for around 10 to 15 minutes and say bye-bye to the dryness. 9. Natural moisturizer, milk. 1. Prepare a warm foot soak by adding a cup of hot milk into it. 2. Soak your feet in it for some time. 3. Do this every day and you will soon love your soft feet. 10. Soak feet in lukewarm water. 1. Once or twice a week, soak your feet in lukewarm water diluted with 2 tablespoons of sea salt for about 20 minutes. 2. Then scrape off the dead cells with a mild foot scrub or pumice stone. 11. Treat calluses. If you have the problem of calluses or cracked heels, then apply a heavyweight moisturizing cream after bath each day or at night before going to bed. Use a heavy layer of creams like Nivea or crack cream. Cleanse feet using antibacterial solution. If you are someone who wears shoes or sandals for long hours, then you must Occasionally soak your feet antibacterial liquid made by dropping 4 drops of antiseptic liquid into water. Follow this with cleansing your feet with an antibacterial soap.